How was 2017? For me, it was awesome. In this year, there are so many things to talk about, and let's talk about three things. The first thing is my achievements for 2017, the learnings, and in fact in learnings we'll talk about the professional learning and the personal learnings. So let's get started. Welcome back aliens, my name is Devin Reddy, and let's start with the achievements. As a Telusko family, we have achieved two big milestones. The first one is we have reached 100,000 subscribers. Yay! And the second one is we have crossed 15 million views on the channel. That's awesome, right? And the best part is those 100,000 subscribers we have got only in this year. Because last year we were having 30,000 subscribers and remaining 1 lakh subscribers we reached in this year. With that 100,000 subscribers, now we have a silver button to show off. From a long time, I was thinking about doing a collab with someone who actually believes in giving something to society. And so I did a collaboration this year with Saurabh Shukla, and also known as My Surgery, and it was awesome collaboration. One of the biggest achievement of this year is finally I got engaged with my love. Now it's time for learnings. As I mentioned before, we'll talk about two learnings. One is professional and second is personal. And let's start with the professional first. So in professional as well, we have two types of learning. One is communication and second is technical. And I have learned quite a bit in communication, but let's talk about the technical part here. In technical, let me mention the first one, which is Kotlin. I'm very happy after learning Kotlin and working on Kotlin. The next thing is I have learned REST API. It's not that I was not knowing about it, but then I wanted to make videos from a long time, so I've learned it from start to end so that I can teach. So next one is AWS CodeStar. Whenever you make an application nowadays, you have to deploy that application somewhere, right? And AWS is the best platform now. And in that, they have introduced new thing called as AWS CodeStar. In fact, we have done a live project this year, right? So there are a lot of tutorials available on YouTube which will teach you about different technologies, right? So my idea was, how can you implement the technologies which you have learned in a real life scenarios? And that's why we did this live project. And one of the biggest change in the Java network, which is Java 9, and awesome features, right? In fact, I'm very excited for Java 9 now. Even I was thinking sometime, because Java is going out, maybe Java is going out thanks to Kotlin, but it's not. Thanks to Java 9, we have so many awesome features now, and Java will not be going anywhere. In the corporate scenarios, I have learned a lot of things in corporate as well. Example, I have worked on Mockito for the first time in this year, then learned about Lean Agile. Not just Agile, it's also Lean Agile is there. And then Jenkins. Now after professional learnings, let's talk about the personal learnings. We all know that health is more important than money. But this year I realized that health is actually more important than money, because if you're thinking that, if you have money, you can take care of your health, that's not the thing. If you have health, you can take care of your money. You can earn more money if you're in good health. From the moment we crossed 100,000 subscribers, I was feeling under pressure now, because since I have 100,000 subscribers, it is my responsibility to give you the good content. Now, on a lot of videos, I was getting some comments, some bad comments, some good comments, and I feel motivated looking at those good comments and those likes. But then there are people who give me bad comments. Initially, I used to feel bad about it, but then I realized there are two types of people. One are critics and second are haters. Now, whenever you see a bad comment on the video, it might be a critic, and it's good for you as a YouTube content creator. It's good for you because your critics will help you in improving your content. And I'm working on my content creation now. But then what about haters? I used to feel bad about haters, but now I have learned one thing: stop giving to your haters. Now, what are my plans for 2018? Any resolution? And the answer is no, because from my childhood I have never achieved those things which I have thought about. But then I do have a set of plans to achieve in this year. Example, I want to build my own platform. Now, I want to build my own platform from last 3 years, okay? But then I started working on it, and then due to some other work, a lot of distractions. I cannot say distraction, but then I was busy with some other work, example, content creation on YouTube, and then my corporate training and working on some projects. Then we have personal work. So I'm working on my project. So this year, maybe we'll work on iOS, Android, and the web application, and I'm hoping to upload all the videos on those platforms as well. Now I will try to read more books. Now it is not a resolution. I'm trying to read as many books as possible whenever I get time nowadays. In fact, I have mobile applications where I can read books. I have physical books as well. So whenever I get time, I try to read as many books as possible. And the most important things, I'm planning to do lots of meetups this year. May not be the same city in Mumbai, but maybe in other cities wherever I visit. So let's see how we can plan it, how I can meet with you people. So I'm very excited for 2018. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There are so many things we have talked about. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your year ending.